Hello everyone, and welcome to our latest video on the best inverter generators available in the market today. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the top 5 inverter generators, including the Ferman Inverter Portable Generator, Westinghouse Portable Power Station, Honda Portable Inverter Generator, Champion Power Equipment Inverter, and the Duromax Dual Fuel Inverter Generator. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share, and comment. Starting off our list at number 1 is the Ferman 1005 Inverter Portable Generator. This generator is compact, lightweight, and perfect for camping, tailgating, or home backup power. With a peak power of 1000 watts and a continuous power of 900 watts, the Ferman 1005 is more than capable of powering small appliances and electronics. One of the standout features of this generator is its Whisper Series muffler, which helps reduce noise levels to a minimum, making it ideal for use in quiet outdoor settings. Additionally, the Ferman 1005 features an eco mode, which adjusts the engine speed to conserve fuel and extend the runtime of the generator. Number 2. Westinghouse IGEN 300S Portable Power Station. This generator is a versatile and compact power source that provides reliable and clean power for all your needs. With a peak power of 300 watts and a continuous power of 250 watts, the IGEN 300S is perfect for powering small appliances and electronics, as well as providing backup power for your home. One of the key features of the Westinghouse IGEN 300S is its pure sine wave inverter technology, which provides clean and stable power that is safe for sensitive electronics. Additionally, the IGEN 300S features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to transport and store. Number 3. Honda Eu2200 ITA N1 Portable Inverter Generator. This generator is a reliable and versatile power source that provides clean and quiet power for all your needs. With a peak power of 2200 watts and a continuous power of 1800 watts, the Eu2200 ITA N1 is perfect for powering small appliances and electronics, as well as providing backup power for your home. One of the standout features of this generator is its Honda GXR 120 engine, which provides reliable power and long-lasting performance. Additionally, the Eu2200 ITA N1 features a parallel capability, which allows you to connect 2 generators together for even more power. Coming in at number 4, Champion Power Equipment 10520 Inverter. This generator is a compact and lightweight power source that provides reliable and clean power for all your needs. With a peak power of 2000 watts and a continuous power of 1600 watts, the Champion 10520 is perfect for powering small appliances and electronics, as well as providing backup power for your home. One of the key features of the Champion 10520 is its inverter technology, which provides clean and stable power that is safe for sensitive electronics. Additionally, the Champion 10520 features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to transport and store. Last but not least, we have the Duromax XP900I Dual Fuel Inverter Generator at number 5. This generator is a versatile and powerful power source that provides reliable and clean power for all your needs. With a peak power of 9000 watts and a continuous power of 7250 watts, the Duromax XP900IH is perfect for powering large appliances and electronics, as well as providing backup power for your home. One of the standout features of this generator is its dual fuel capability, which allows you to use either gasoline or propane as a fuel source. This gives you more options and versatility when it comes to fueling your generator, making it perfect for a variety of different situations. Additionally, the Duromax XP900IH features a 4-stroke, air-cooled engine, which provides reliable and long-lasting performance. In conclusion, these are the top 5 inverter generators available in the market today. Whether you're looking for a compact and lightweight power source for camping, tailgating, or home backup power, or a powerful and versatile generator for larger appliances and electronics, there's sure to be a generator on this list that fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos like this one. Until next time, stay powered.